everyone, Phil from DR Property Guys here. We are in a really cool development. It's just above the seaside resort of Sosua. We're a little bit late to the party here. All the lots have been sold except two. We're going to show you those now. This first lot is 763 square meters and it's so as you can tell from the audio, this area of the North Coast gets an incredible breeze, and the properties that have been built here have been designed to take advantage of that, and they are really cool designs. So this is the actual lot, and we're going to show you in a minute one of the actual designs. So this area here is the second lot, which is 609 square meters. So here we have one of the villas here that is in mid-construction. Now the gentleman that designed and built these properties has lived here for many years, and he's taken full advantage of the climate and the wind here, and you'll see that when we look inside. They're really well built. Have a look, come on. So here's the main room area that looks out onto this beautiful pool. We have a nice swimming pool area here. This is the kitchen area. This is where the kitchen will be. And you can see, if you look above, just how high these ceilings are, which makes for great air circulation within this property. Moving through here, we have a laundry room and bedrooms here. You'll notice that the windows all have these granite bases. And what that does is helps stop, well, it stops completely any kind of infiltration that you might get here. So a really good idea, this. And another bedroom which goes out straight to the pool, and you've also got a jacuzzi. All of the views from each of the rooms in this property have great vistas out into the surrounding countryside. Every room, it really is quite beautiful, really nice. Another really cool feature about this property is that beneath is its own separate independent apartment, so you have the possibility to rent out a room if you want, or it's always good for anyone that's going to stay for an extended period of time. Now, for more information, don't hesitate to visit our website at drpropertyguys.com, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe.